Joe Tegmeyer has been flying his drone at Giga Texas since Tesla broke ground in 2020.
There's so many people that are very interested in what is going out here all over the world, and I help try to give them a little bit of a window in what is going on.
But this week is different than all the rest.
It's more of, here's all the displays and the setup and the props.
Now, instead of viewing it through his drone, he gets to step foot inside. Giga Texas is hosting its grand opening Cyber Rodeo, and Tegmeyer has an invitation to see it all.
I got the original invitation on the 26th of March, and it came directly from Tesla.
He's one of 15,000 invited to attend. People coming from all over the world.
This is how it works. I've definitely seen you, like your videos.
John Alfonso and Bobby Vazzaretti came all the way from New York City. With no invitation, they're hoping to find a way inside.
I'm hoping to get in tonight. Let's see what happens.
I gave up Christmas vacation from work to be here.
Texas is open for business just like Austin.
Dirk Mateer is a professor of economics at UT Austin. He says it's drawing others to Texas.
When he said, I'm out of California and I'm into Texas, well, pretty much the entire business community went, heck yeah, we understand that. And that applies to Dallas and San Antonio and Houston and all throughout the state.
Joe says it's a good thing.
I think it just helps make Texas even a bigger, more productive state than it already is.
And plans on coming out here for years to come.